right, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. Before we start the video and the unboxing, let me know what time it is where you are, because I'm always curious to see what time people are actually watching these types of videos. Leave a comment with what time it is where you are. If it's 3 a.m., 9 p.m., midnight. So I'm always curious. So we're going to be unboxing the Holland Shoop. It's a Bluetooth headset to enjoy hands-free communication. So back of the box, made in China. I got this off Amazon. Apparently this color costs $5 less than the other colors, at least when I ordered it. Directions. Looks like several different languages. It's Bluetooth, should be pretty straightforward. Earpieces. I'll be having some difficulty with that probably later. And the item. Oh, that's flexible. Alright. And there's the charging cable. Interesting. And also, if someone could leave a comment with the name of that connector, that would be awesome. Guess I'll have to do some reading and figure everything out. Maybe I'll put up a review, but for now, that's the unboxing. Thank you for watching.